Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to send money with Apple Pay Cash. Alright, so if you've been wondering how to send money with Apple Pay Cash, this video is gonna help you out with that. It's gonna be a quick one, just gonna give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any more time, let's just jump straight into the video. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to open the Messages app. So just find the Messenger app on your iPhone and open that up. And then you're going to start a conversation with the recipient. So you just want to start a conversation with the person that you want to send money to. And once you're there, you just want to tap the Apple Pay button in the app drawer. And now you're going to enter the amount that you want to send, and then confirm the transaction either with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to send money with your Apple Pay Cash. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next